Good afternoon, Kenyans. Good afternoon, friends. Once again, I want to remind us that Kenya Commercial Bank Diaspora Department are still here in Seattle, and it's a call for us to come and take a share of Kenya by investing with KCB. Gone are the days that we used to send money to our friends and our relatives to help us build or carry out projects for us. We have had so many people that went back home and found those projects were not done and their money was misused. But this time round, you can open a bank account with Kenya Commercial Bank. You have a relationship manager who will help you to invest. They're giving out loans and mortgages. And interest rates in Kenya are low at this time. So I welcome you to take this golden opportunity. Today, the team is at Lim's Restaurant from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Address is 29100 Pacific Highway South. Tomorrow in the morning, we are at Beyond Barriers Church, Urban, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Address is 505 29th Street Southeast, that is 98002. In the afternoon, you'll be at Christ the King Church, ACK, that is Lakewood, and address is 6900 Sterken Boulevard, Southwest, Lakewood 98499. On Monday, the whole day from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., you'll be at the Christ the King ACK Church, Federal Way. Address is 3320 Pacific Highway South. Don't hesitate. Don't be left behind. We have great stories of people who started the accounts last time the KCB Diaspora Bank were here, and they have really benefited. They have great stories to tell. If you have any questions for further direction or anything that you would want to ask, you can call me at 425-802-6361. Thank you so much. KCB is giving loans to buy the affordable homes that are being built all over Kenya. Take this golden opportunity and get yourself a share of Kenya. The best time to invest. Thank you.